Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video is for anyone who feels stuck, tired, or ignored by life. Sometimes you try everything, but nothing changes, and that hurts. But remember this, life doesn't reject you, it prepares you. In this video, you'll learn 70 simple and powerful life lessons to help you rise again, rebuild your confidence, and strengthen your mindset. These lessons will improve your reading and listening skills while inspiring you to keep moving, even when life feels silent. Let's begin. Life doesn't always reward your effort immediately, but every day you choose to stand up, you are building a version of yourself that is stronger than yesterday. Keep going, even when no one sees your silent progress. You may feel stuck, but remember that growth happens in invisible moments. Every small step, every broken plan, every difficult morning is shaping you into someone capable of handling the future you prayed for. Don't stop now. Sometimes life delays your dreams not to punish you, but to prepare you. The waiting season sharpens your mind, strengthens your character, and teaches you patience. Trust the timing, even when your heart wants results today. Your journey is not measured by how fast you reach success, but by how courageously you rise every time you fall. Life respects persistence more than perfection. Keep showing up, even when the world stays silent. When everything feels heavy, remind yourself that storms don't come to drown you, they come to clean your path and strengthen your spirit. You survive every challenge that was meant to destroy you. That alone proves your power. Life may not give you answers quickly, but it always responds to consistency. Keep learning, growing, and improving quietly. One day, your results will echo louder than every doubt, every fear, and every failure you ever faced. Don't compare your journey to others. Some people reach success early, others bloom later. What matters is that you keep moving, keep believing, and keep improving. Your chapter will come, and it will be worth every struggle. When life closes doors, don't stand there crying forever. Wipe your tears, breathe deeply, and search for another way. There is always a path, always a chance, always a miracle waiting for the one who refuses to quit. Success is not magic. It's built from quiet mornings, tired nights, and thousands of unseen efforts. Even if you feel unnoticed now, your dedication is creating a future version of you who will thank you for not giving up. Your past failures don't define your destiny. They are simply lessons in life used to shape your strength. Stand firm. You can rebuild your life at any moment you decide to stop living in yesterday and start choosing tomorrow. Life won't always give you what you want, but it always gives you what you need to grow. Each challenge comes with a hidden gift. Sometimes the gift is wisdom. Sometimes it is strength. Accept both. When you feel like life is ignoring you, remember that seeds grow in silence. Your efforts, your discipline, and your resilience are forming roots. Later, your success will rise and everyone will see what you patiently built in the dark. Don't let one bad year convince you that your entire future is ruined. Life changes quickly, healing arrives unexpectedly, and new opportunities appear when you least expect them. Stay hopeful. Your turnaround could be closer than you think. It's okay to feel tired, lost, or discouraged. You're human. What matters is that you don't surrender your dreams to temporary emotions. Rest when needed, then rise again. Your story isn't finished yet. Life tests you before it rewards you. The struggle is not a sign to quit, it's a sign you're moving closer to who you're meant to become. Keep fighting. Your breakthrough often comes just after your hardest moments. Your dreams don't need approval from anyone. Even if people underestimate your potential, continue anyway. Great things are built by those who believe in themselves long before the world believes in them. Every big success story begins with the decision to start despite fear, doubt, or lack of support. Begin now. Don't wait for perfect conditions. They may never come. Small steps eventually create massive change. When life feels unfair, remind yourself that pressure creates diamonds. Challenges refine you, not destroy you. Stand tall through the difficulties. You are becoming someone stronger than your past version ever imagined. Your life improves the moment you stop waiting for motivation and choose discipline instead. Discipline carries you through days when passion disappears. Consistency creates results that motivation alone can never achieve. Never underestimate the power of patience. What you want may take time, but time makes dreams more meaningful. Keep moving forward slowly or quickly. What matters is that you don't stop walking your path.
Every time you rise after falling, you send a message to life. I'm not done yet. That determination eventually opens doors you once thought impossible. Persistence is stronger than luck, talent, or timing. You don't fail when life knocks you down, you fail when you choose not to get back up. Continue standing, continue trying. Each attempt makes you wiser, stronger, and much closer to the success you're building. Life teaches you through pain what comfort never could. Your strongest qualities, resilience, courage, patience, are born in your hardest moments. Appreciate the lessons even when they hurt, for they are shaping your greatness. Success doesn't come to those who complain. It comes to those who act. Even small actions every day create momentum. Be the person who moves while others wait. Your future self will thank you. Don't allow temporary frustration to destroy long-term goals. Progress can be slow, but slow progress is still progress. Celebrate every tiny improvement, every small win, every quiet victory. They all matter. Your story is unique. Your journey is yours alone, and your timing is perfect for you. Stop rushing because others seem ahead. Life isn't a race, it's a marathon. Run at your own pace. Life's silence doesn't mean you're forgotten. It means you're in a chapter of preparation. The universe works quietly before big miracles. Keep going even when you hear no applause. Your moment is being arranged. Every day you choose to keep trying is a victory. Even without visible results, you're strengthening your mind, building discipline, and developing skills. These invisible victories later create visible success. You can rebuild your life even from zero. Many great people began from nothing but determination. What matters is not where you start, but how hard you're willing to work toward a better future. When you feel like giving up, remember why you started. Your past self believed you could do this. Honor that belief. Keep pushing. You're closer to your breakthrough than you think. Life never gives you a dream without also giving you the potential to achieve it. Even if the journey feels impossible now, trust that you have everything needed. Your power increases each time you choose courage over fear. The people who succeed are not always the smartest, they are the ones who refuse to quit. Consistency becomes their strength, patience becomes their ally, and resilience becomes their guide. You can become that person too. Your struggles are not punishment, they are preparation. Life strengthens you through challenges so you can carry the success you prayed for. Without the struggle, you wouldn't be ready for the blessing. When everything seems against you, remember that pressure also pushes you forward. Use adversity as motivation. Let obstacles build your strength instead of breaking your spirit. You are capable of rising above anything. Every morning you wake up is another chance to rewrite your story. Yesterday's mistakes don't define you. Today is new, fresh, full of possibility. Choose hope, choose effort, choose courage. Life may slow your progress, but it can never stop a determined heart. Keep pushing forward even when results come slowly. One day, your persistence will surprise you, and everything will click into place. You don't need to have everything figured out to move forward. Begin with what you have, where you are. Progress comes from action, not perfection. Growth begins when fear stops controlling you. Your life becomes better when you decide to believe in yourself, even if the world doubts you. Confidence is built, not given. Start by trusting your small abilities. They will grow into something powerful. When life hits hard, remember that surviving the storm already makes you stronger than many. Strength isn't shown by having an easy path. It's shown by walking through difficulty with courage and hope. Choose your thoughts carefully. What you think becomes what you feel, and what you feel becomes how you act. A positive mind doesn't ignore pain, it transforms it into purpose and progress. Every delay in your life has a purpose. Sometimes you're not ready for the blessing yet. Other times the blessing isn't ready for you. Trust that everything is aligning in the perfect moment. Life won't always be kind, but you can always choose resilience. Strength isn't about never falling, it's about rising with more wisdom each time. Your comeback will be stronger than your setback. You deserve the future you dream about, but dreams require effort. Don't just hope, work, learn, improve. Hope creates vision. Discipline creates results. Combine them and nothing can stop you. When you feel lost, remember that even the strongest people once walked through uncertainty. Confusion doesn't mean failure, it means transformation. Keep moving. Clarity will come with action. Don't fear starting over. Starting over means you're wiser, more experienced, and stronger than before. A new beginning is not a loss, it's a second chance to build better.
Be proud of how far you've come. Even if you're not where you want to be, progress is progress. Your small steps today are preparing you for big victories tomorrow. Life's challenges are not meant to defeat you. They're meant to build you. Every obstacle teaches you strength, patience, and courage. You're becoming the person you were meant to be. Never doubt your worth because of temporary struggles. You are capable, intelligent, and strong. The fact that you're still trying is proof you're destined for more than your current situation. Success isn't only about talent. It's about effort, discipline, and courage. Keep working. Even when results seem far away, the journey itself is preparing you for greatness. When life becomes difficult, remind yourself that hardship shapes heroes. You're not failing. You're growing. Every difficulty is shaping a stronger, wiser, more powerful version of you. You are allowed to rest, but not to quit. Resting restores your energy, quitting destroys your future. Take a break, breathe, then return stronger. Your dream still needs you. Believe in your potential even when life challenges your confidence. You have overcome many things already. Your future success is not a question of if, but when. Your efforts matter, even if no one sees them. Silent progress is still progress. One day, your consistency will speak louder than every doubt you ever had. Do not let fear control your actions. Fear lies, courage reveals truth. Every time you face a fear, you loosen its grip and gain more freedom to build the life you want. Even the darkest moments carry lessons. Pain teaches strength, Loss teaches gratitude, and failure teaches resilience. Life is shaping you through every experience, even the painful ones. Stay committed to your goals even when the results are slow. Great things take time. The most important victories in life are earned through patience and determination. Your dream life is possible, but you must work consistently toward it. Don't let excuses steal your future. Begin now, stay focused, and build the version of you that you admire. Every setback is an invitation to rise stronger. Let failures motivate you, not break you. A comeback is always more powerful than the fall that caused it. The road to success will challenge you, test you, and sometimes break you. But the strength you gain from those moments is exactly what you'll need to hold your victory when it arrives. Life rewards those who stay patient during storms. Keep moving forward with quiet confidence. The breakthrough you need may appear when you least expect it, but only if you refuse to quit. You are more capable than you think. Often the only barrier between you and success is self-doubt. Replace doubt with courage, even small courage, and watch your confidence grow. Every ending in your life is preparing you for a new beginning. Don't mourn closed doors too long. Sometimes life removes things that were holding your future back. You don't need to achieve everything today. Focus on progress, not perfection. Build your life one step, one habit, one day at a time. Small efforts eventually create big change. Life may test you harder than others, but it's because you're built to overcome more. Strong people aren't born, they're shaped through trials. Trust your strength. You've survived everything so far. Be patient with your journey. Some blessings take longer because they're meant to last. Trust that what is truly meant for you will arrive at the perfect time, never too early or too late. Even when you feel alone, remember you're not forgotten. Life is quietly preparing opportunities you cannot see. Keep believing in the future you want. Your belief is a seed growing roots. Your dream requires sacrifice. You may lose comfort, friends, or old habits, but what you gain, purpose, confidence, and progress, is far more valuable. Keep choosing growth over comfort. Do not stop trying because of fear of failure. Failure teaches lessons success never will. Each failed attempt is training your mind and sharpening your skills for the victory ahead. Life becomes easier when you stop fighting reality and start working with it. Accept the situation, adjust your mindset, and move forward with determination. Adaptation is a superpower. The fact that you're still trying, still hoping, still dreaming means you haven't lost. You are stronger than your struggles. Keep going. Your success story is still unfolding.